Hello, reptile enthusiasts. Today we're exploring the intriguing world of the DUMERIL'S boa. Originating from Madagascar, this boa constrictor is celebrated for its striking appearance and docile nature. The DUMERIL'S boa showcases a unique blend of beauty and calm temperament, making it a sought-after species in the world of snake enthusiasts. This boa constrictor species showcases a robust body with a distinctive pattern of saddles and a beautiful range of colors including browns, creams, and reds. The DUMERIL'S boa is characterized by its medium size and muscular build, presenting a visually striking appearance. With a calm disposition, the species is known for being handleable, making it suitable for snake enthusiasts of various experience levels. To thrive, the DUMERIL'S boas require well-constructed enclosures with appropriate heating, humidity, and hiding spots. Providing a habitat that mimics their natural environment is crucial for their well-being. Due to their manageable size and calm temperament, the DUMERIL'S boas are often considered suitable for those looking to keep boa species. Consider incorporating artificial plants and branches into the boa's enclosure. While snakes don't have the same requirements as plants, adding visual enrichment elements enhances the aesthetics of their habitat and provides opportunities for exploration and climbing. Primarily kept for their beauty and calm demeanor, the DUMERIL'S boa are valued additions to snake collections. Their presence in captivity offers snake enthusiasts the opportunity to observe and appreciate the behavior of this unique species. Its stunning appearance, calm disposition, and manageable size make it a cherished choice among those who appreciate the beauty of reptiles. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of animals. Until next time, may your reptile adventures be filled with wonder, and may the DUMERIL'S boa grace your collection with its unique charm. Farewell and happy herping.